Hello, welcome to my channel AI Skills Hub. Today we are going to learn how to make cartoon videos. So first of all, I will show you how I made this video. You can just see once, then we'll start the process. Okay. Now how to create that video. So first of all, I went to YouTube and there I was just searching for the latest cartoon videos. There I found this video. So I just took the screenshot of it and uploaded here. And I asked, so I want to make this type of trending videos. So give me an idea or an script idea. So I went here, it gave me some ideas that your cat is living better than you. So I thought it's a very nice idea. And it given me script also. So once it is giving the script, then what we have to do, we have to ask, and it has given other all more ideas also. So I wanted to try the first idea. I have copy pasted this and then I asked that give me image prompt. So first you have to ask for script. After the script, you have to ask for give me image prompt for, and you can mention the platform also. So I asked this and then it has given me full image prompts. So after this image prompt, so it will make sure also that your character is consistent in all, so it will take care of that thing. So after that, what I did, I have just copy pasted. So I will try uh, making that video once again. So what I will do, I have made two parts. Now I'm going to make the third part of that video. So I asked it, say that give me the exact image prompt for part 3. So part 1 was her cat's morning routine, then part 2 was cat's evening routine and night routine, and third part is cat's weekend routine. So it has given me the image prompt. So once you get this image prompt, you have to go to this website quen.ai, and you have to log in here. Okay. So here you have to select this image generation and then we'll paste our image prompts. So I will go here. So first you have to copy paste this scene 1 prompt. You copy this first prompt and you paste it here. And you can choose the aspect ratio also in which. So I'm making for YouTube shorts. So I will choose this. If you want to make long video, you can choose 16:9. That is horizontal video for YouTube. So you have to give this. Meanwhile, this is generating the image. The next step we have to do, we have to go to the Grok platform, Grok AI, and we will create the videos out of this image. So you have to just go and you open Grok AI login and you have to go to this website. So you can do sign in. So it has created our image. Quen has created this image. So you just have to download this image. So you just click on this and you can download. And one more thing, you can create the video also from the Quen itself. Like you have to just select this option, create video, and you have to put that exact prompt of the same prompt you can put again. It will create a video out of it. So whenever Grok do any mistakes, then I use this. So once you download this image, then you have to take this image and you go here in Imagine. Here you upload your image. So it has automatically created a video. So anyway, you can put the prompt and you have to just select this. You have to click this and this will generate a video. So we'll do for the other scenes also. So you for scene 2, you just take the copy it. You go to Quen. You just put the prompt. You just copy paste the prompt. It will create the image. And you just download this image and we'll go to Grok. And it has created this video. So you can just download this. If you want to upscale this image or you can edit this image, there are multiple other options also. You have to repeat the same process. This is the second photo. I'll just download it and upload it in Grok platform. So once you have created one, then you have to again go back to the main screen and you have to attach it once again. Okay, once you upload the photo, then you just copy paste that same image prompt once again and make videos. So I will create all these videos one by one and then I will show you how to stitch it all together and add audios or subtitle into the same. I will do for other scenes also. So scene 3. Here you have to go back. So this is very nice photo. So I'll upload it here. Meanwhile, it is cooking for scene 3. We can do for other images. Oh, our cat is looking really nice. So earlier I have mentioned create images for Grok platform because that time I thought I will use the Grok platform, but you can ask for Quen platform. Okay, so sometime it has given the text also so that we can crop. You can do edit also and you can ask to remove the text, but I will not do that. You can just do it in your phone. You can just ask it to crop it. Currently I will put subtitle there anyway, so I don't need to use that. So sometime if you see that it is like what happened with me, like there was a image where the cat was having the blanket on, but while while I uploaded here, it was giving some else, like something else. It was not very good, like some glitches was there in that image. So what I did, I went to Quen and there I have asked, like there is, if you can see, there is an option of create video. Just you can put the same prompt here, it will create very nice video. It is also, you can try making video in Quen also. Okay, this is our last prompt. So okay, this is done. So you can do all this activity in phone also, like you have to download, you can open in browser and you can do same things there also. You can just upload your image and you can just write this same prompts. I will do around right now. I will send all the videos to my phone. There I will do further further modification. Now we will learn how to edit the final video. So here you have to come to VN. This is a video editing app. In this you have to go to this plus icon and there you have to select new project, do save, and you have to select the clips. So here I will select. So after selecting, we will add the subtitle. So here you can see all clips are present here. In the last I will remove this directed by. Here you have to add the subtitle. So you just have to click on tap to add subtitle. Go to this text. Here you select and you go to edit. Here you have to just type. So the first like ChatGPT has only given this text overlay idea. You have to just go there and you just type whatever is there. Or you can select,
you can add different things. I will choose this style, and this will go till clip end. So like this I will add for all. I will add subtitle everywhere. You can increase the size also of the subtitle. Added all the subtitle, so you can see. And if you want to add sound also, that also you can do. Like you can add music here. You can download it from YouTube and you can add here. So I will just adjust. Okay, so after that you have to go here and you select this export and you do this export, then it will be saved to your device. So this is how create your own animated videos. And tell me in the comment section if you found this video useful, or like, share and subscribe.